jellyfish comes to a complete stop. To release your safety belt, push the red button between the seats. Then step out carefully and please walk to the nearest exit. Thanks, and you're welcome to bounce on back anytime.
Chào chơi.
Gee whiz, folks, it's time to return to shore. Please stay seated until the jellyfish stops jumping. Then unlock your safety belts by pushing